Hey, space adventurers! I'm Cash the Genius Dog, and tonight we're zooming through the cosmos to uncover a swirling space secret: galaxies that collide. Imagine two giant galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, pulled together by gravity. But instead of crashing, their stars do a dazzling dance. There's so much space between stars, they almost never touch. They swirl around each other in a slow-motion cosmic ballet that lasts millions of years. As they twirl, gas and dust slam together, sparking bursts of newborn stars like fireworks in space. Over time, the two galaxies blend into one, sometimes a spiral, sometimes a glowing blob. Get this, the Milky Way, our galaxy, is on a collision course with Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, we'll be part of a brand new super galaxy. And it's happened before. The Antennae galaxies smashed 100 million years ago and are still lighting up with starbirth. The Tadpole galaxy grew a long tail from a cosmic crash. The Whirlpool galaxy? It's pulling a smaller galaxy in right now. Space Challenge. What galaxy is the Milky Way expected to collide with? Drop your answer in the comments. Didn't catch it? Rewind and watch again. Science is worth a second spin. Like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, science is everywhere when you know where to look.